video. In this short video, we're going to talk about GitHub and the uses of GitHub platform and what we can do with it. So basically, GitHub is a developer platform that allows software developer to create, store, manage, and share their code. It helps us to collaborate on projects together with different software developers all at the same time. And it's like a cloud platform that we can store and publish our code, so other people as well can access it if we want. We can also set it to private, so we would be the only people who can access the code. And it's really important and a very good platform to learn and use. And in today's short video, we're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about different ways that we would be able to use this platform. So stick with me to the end of this video tutorial. You're not going to regret it. Okay, so let's talk about the way GitHub works. We have basically repositories. We also call them repo. They're like a folder that contains all our files, all our project files. And these files can be anything such as source code, documentations, images, and more. Also, we have version control, which is GitHub uses a version control system called Git, which helps us to track changes that we do to the file within a repository. So developers can make change to their code, like create new branches to work on feature or fixes, and merge those changes back to the main code base. So let's say that you're working on a project, you decided to make some changes to it, and you go ahead and you do those changes, and you can basically insert back those changes to the main code with creating a new branch. And Git will track all those changes that we made with timestamp, so you would know that when you made that changes, and if you decided to revert back to the previous version, it'll give us an easy way to do so. So it's a very, very powerful tool. Also, we have something called collaboration in GitHub, which it helps us help developers to multiple people work on the same project at the same time, and they can review each other code, suggest changes, and discuss issues using features like pull request, issues, and comments. And we also have something called workflow in GitHub, which involves creating a new branch for a specific task, making changes to the code, and committing those changes back to the main application. And we can push those changes remotely from wherever we work, from our own computer. And also we can merge changes all together. And the last feature that GitHub provides us is something called issues and projects, which help us to manage the project and include issue tracking and project boards, something like Trello, if you have ever used it. And using that platform, we can report bugs, suggest new features, or have a discussion with other team members. It's like a board, like a project board, help us to organize and prioritize our work. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you guys. We're working mainly on Python software and Python projects. That's why you can use GitHub anywhere, from any IDEs. You can go to the GitHub website and interact with it from there. There's a lot of ways to collaborate and use GitHub platform. But we work with the Pycharm, and we work on Python applications. So I want to show you guys how to upload or how to download your project from GitHub using Pycharm. So I'm just going to dive into it. I'm not going to talk anymore. So there's different ways to do so from Pycharm. but I'm going to show you simplest and easiest ways. So to upload any project, let's say we have a project here. Let's add a code to it. Let's say print hello world. Okay, now we want to upload this to our GitHub account. So first of all, you need to have a GitHub account. It's super easy. I'll put a link in the description. You can just go to there and create your GitHub account. When we do that, we can come here. We go to main menu and we go to VCS, and we want to go to we want to go to share project on GitHub. This is the one we want to choose. Click on it, and we need to give our repository a name. We'll give it a good GitHub proj, same as my my folder name here, and we need to click on share, but first we need to choose an account. If we don't have an account, we need to go and add account. You can choose one of these options. I will choose login via GitHub. I've already signed in from GitHub, but apparently I have to sign in from here as well. I authorize in GitHub. So this is my GitHub account. I'm just going to authorize it. If you have logged in from your Chrome browser, you should see all these that I'm seeing right now. So I'm going to authorize JetBrain. Okay, I should be good. Let's go back. And yep, so this is github.com. This is my GitHub account name, Sarush Z. So I'm going to go click on share. And you can see there are some changes happening on the bottom. And we can add when we commit, we can add a message just to remember what we did here. First commit. Okay. Help us to know when we go back and read these commits to understand what happened and what we did. I just put something simple. Okay, let's go to our GitHub and see where's our project. So this is my GitHub account. I'm already looking at one of my projects. I'm go back to the main. I want to go to repositories, and this is the latest one, like updated 1 minute ago. So I go to it, and see we have our files here and folders here. This is app.py. I'm gonna click on it, and bam, you can see our project successfully uploaded to GitHub. It's super easy and simple. The only thing you need a GitHub account. That's all. Okay, now that we have logged into our GitHub account using our Pycharm, so we can access its features within the Pycharm. So if we go here, you should see it after you logged in. Yeah, we can see some of the features. There's a lot more, but we're gonna go through the most used ones, the basic ones. For the purpose of this video is just to make you familiar and helps you out to use GitHub and enter the GitHub world without getting confused. So the first one is update project. Let's say that we're collaborating with other people on a project and they make some changes and you want to have those changes on your repository or on your local machine. So we click on update project and it'll retrieve all those changes. Commit it it's like creating a snapshot of changes made to the files in the repository when you make any changes to our code. And we by committing it, we're basically we are creating a snapshot, and by pushing it, by choosing push, we push those changes that we did in the commit stage to our remote repository, which is the GitHub account. So we have remote and local repository. Local one is the one that is located on your computer, on on your local machine, and the repository is the cloud GitHub version. And yep, so the master you see here is the main branch of the repository. Is typically where our main code exists. It's the production ready version of the code. Is the code that we created in the stage before we want to release our application to production. Let's say when we create a new branch, like using here, we can create a new branch to help us to work on a feature or a fix. We don't want to make any changes to the main code yet, which exists here. We just want to create a branch to like suggest some new features or suggest a fix. And when we create the branch and we work on whatever we want to, I usually base it off the master branch. So we use the master branch as our like a base code, and then what changes are merged back into the master branch once they are tested and approved, or once we get a confirmation from other developers that okay, this is good, now we want to merge it to the main branch so it'll exist there. Okay, so let's make some changes to our application here, and then we'll push it to our remote repository, and we want to be able to see those changes. So I'm going to say print welcome to my channel. Okay, so we go here, we commit. We can add a personalized message, whatever you want. Second commit, and we commit, or we can use commit and push, because next step would be push to push it in our branch. So we're just gonna go ahead with commit and push. So commit and push. See down here is happening, and yep, we click on commit push, and one file committed, and it shows our message that we added. Okay, now we want to go to remote repo. We want to go to here. Let's click on it. You can see second commit, it's there. So now you can see the changes. Now let's say we want to create a new branch. So we want to make some changes. We want to add a feature, but we don't want it to affect our main code, our main branch. We want to create it, and we want to suggest it, and if it's approved, we want to merge it to the main branch. So to do that, we can go here, we can go to new branch. We need to name it like let's say new branch, or let's say something more descriptive, new feature. Okay, we click on create, and if we want to check out the new branch, we need to switch to it. Right now you can see it switched because I already chose check out the branch. The option was there, and it'll automatically switch to our new branch. We have two branches now, master, new feature. Okay, so now we're working on our new branch, which we call a new feature. So whatever changes we make from now on, it'll get pushed to, when we commit it and we push it, it'll go to the new branch. It won't affect the main branch. So let's say you want to say print 2 add 2 multiplied by 2, and we want to commit it and push it. We want to say something like new branch commit. Okay, we're gonna go commit and push. It's committing. We agree to push. And okay, let's go to our browser here. Let's reload. You can see, yeah. New feature had recent pushes on April 14. Okay, I'm going to go to compare. And yep, you can see this is the changes we made to our code, but it's saved on the new branch. It doesn't exist on the master branch. So okay, I shouldn't have gone there. Let's go to repositories. Let's go here. Okay, if we go to our main branch, like master branch, which we are right now, and we'll go to app.py, you don't see that because that only exists in the new branch. Okay, so when we create a pull request, we're basically proposing to other collaborates on the platform, on the project, that like review these changes that I made, review this branch that I created, and approve it if you want. So we can also add a like personalized message here. We can say check out new features, and we can go here and create the pull request. After this, the next step would be merging it. We can go ahead and merge the pull request from here, or we can go do it from here. It's up to you guys. And it doesn't exist in here. I think we need to go here. Yeah. Okay, so to merge it, we actually need to go back to the main branch or master. We'll click on checkout. It'll switch us back to the main one. And we go here. We go to Git. We'll go to merge. And we need to choose the one that we're trying to merge with. Merge. Yep, now we can see our code is here. So we'll merge it with the main branch. We should be able to see that also in our remote repository. So we could have done from here, merge pull request, but we didn't. We just wanted to continue on the Pycharm. So let's go to code. Let's go to app.py, and we're not seeing it here. We should be able to see it. Okay, maybe because we haven't committed it, we need to commit it first. So yep, we need to commit and push. Commit and push. Push, and we should be able to see it just in a second. Okay, let's go here. Yep, you can see it now. Okay, let's say we make some changes remotely, like from GitHub, not from a local repository, from a remote repository, and we want to have those changes on our local machine. So there's several ways to do that. We can use fetch, we can use update, or we can use pull. So remote update will update all our branches, excuse me, but it won't merge any changes, it just update them. The fetch will update only the branch you're on it, but not merge any changes that we did. And pull will update and merge any remote changes that we make to our branch. So let's go and make some changes. We go here to our app.py from the remote repo. we try to add the print change. Okay, we commit the changes. We can choose either commit directly to the master branch, or we can create a new branch for this commit. I'm gonna stick with the master branch. Commit changes, and we're gonna go back to Pycharm. So we can go here and say update project. This will update and merge both. So I'm gonna choose this one, merging conventions into the current branch, and okay, it's fetching now. We should see it in a second on our local repo. And here we go. As you can see, the local repo right now, it's been updated and it matches the remote repository on GitHub. So we have the same code on both locations. All right, so let's say we want to retrieve a project from our GitHub account. So we have a project sitting on there, or we want to retrieve it from other people's account. It doesn't matter. There's a public GitHub account, there's a project on it, and we want to download it directly to our Pycharm. So let's say we have a Python project and we want to download it to our Pycharm. So one way, actually the easiest way to do this, so from Pycharm, is by going to we go to this menu here, we go to VCS, we go to enable, actually we go to get from version control. Yep, go here. We need to copy and paste the URL from that GitHub project. So let's go to our GitHub and let's go to another project of mine. Let's go to Python project, the pass generator. This is like password generator application. And if we go here to code, you can see it'll give us HTTPS URL. We copy it here and we go back to our Pycharm, we paste it here and we clone it. And it's doing its magic. We want to open in this window. Okay, so now the app exists in our local machine, and you can see the path here that it exists on. And I can open it here, and bam. So not only we have this project, but we also have access to the branch of this project. So we can make any changes, we can update the project, commit, push, and do whatever we did in the previous sections of this video. Okay guys, as always, thank you for bearing with me and thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe, or comment. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.